Alright everybody, welcome back. Real quick video on this nose comb and equipment tray mount here. Got everything glued in. Got the nose P-dot attachment there. 2 screws, top and bottom. The picture showed it, bolting it in on these two, but for the cone to line up on the threads, I moved this a little bit here to kind of get the right angle, which makes the nose needle fit perfect. So that's why I did it that way instead of laying it flat. Let's see if I can get an inside picture. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see the wood bracing on the going across horizontally, one on the vertical, and I still need to put one at the bottom there, but I'm going to have to cut a groove for it. Well, actually, I just got to get it glued in, but other than that, it's all done. I got the, let me get my flashlight here. Oh, before I do that, I just wanted to show you guys the size of it. Plenty of room up here. 5200 4-cell ion. Plenty of room. So I'll probably put all my, if this thing's tail heavy, needs batteries forward, they'll probably go up here. I'm not going to put any switches or any air filling on this because all that'll be back in the swing wing area, because that comes off anyways. For turbine start, this don't need to come off unless I'm going to take the batteries out and charge them or something like that. So everything up here won't be accessed every flight. So I'll do all the fuel filling, all that kind of stuff from back there, air filling. Let's see, I just want to show you that. Yeah, kind of a crazy thing about these lithium ions come up on the forum Saturday. I've always used them. I think they're pretty safe. Some people got all butthurt about what I said about them being safe, and I'm not worrying about them, but whatever. Wasn't meant for that. I didn't think anything about it when I posted it, but people, that's the problem with the forums, there's room for interpretation. Okay, so here's the, kind of see there with the light on it, that's the aluminum plate that I made. You can see that the there we go. You kind of see that with those washers sitting right on that ply, it would probably loosened up over time. And you got those two in the front there. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get it to. There we go. Got to put 2 3mm bolts there. I've already got the 2 screws that go into the go through the plate into that ply where the servo goes into, just to kind of help secure it there, but you can't see them. After looking at it, I'm not sure what that little access door is for, because you can get to everything in there that you need to, to take things loose and work on it if you need to. But it's there if you never know. So, well, that's about it. Next video, I'm going to go ahead and install the rotor servo, just to show you that. Here's the rudder when it comes off. 2 carbon shafts here. Wish they had moved this one a little bit further back, that way it could have went further into the rudder, but this one's about that far up. Maybe could have been a little thicker. But right here is where the rudder shaft goes. This is where people have had some problems with, I guess, with let me get some focus here, with some flutter, because you just got 2 set screws. Once you get the rudder in, you just push up through this hole. This comes up through the inside, up into the rudder, and then you got 2 set screws that go in there. So there is an aluminum piece inside, but I don't know if it's attached or glued or anything. So I don't plan on taking the rudder off, but we'll see. I may make it permanent somehow. Maybe drill these a little bit deeper. Put a longer screw in there or something. We'll see. May not have any problems with it. I guess just have to be careful with those set screws. Hope they don't strip, which I think that's what happens, is those little set screws end up stripping if you're not careful. Yeah. Turn this thing back on autofocus. Yeah, there you go. Okay. But I'll get to that on the next video. Well, that is about it. Oh, yeah, here, let's see. And get this here. Little plastic tube or ring. Slides on the elevator as such. And there's a flat spot on that shaft, which is not going to let it go in all the way because I got those clamps on, but that's pretty much it. So, till tomorrow night, you guys have a good evening. Take it easy. Ooh. Oh, before I go, I'm going to take some black paint, and I've noticed on all of them they have a black area there for where the gun area is, the gun exit. So I'm going to do that with this one. Get some black, I think it kind of looks like a gunmetal. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow as well. I'm also looking, these are supposed to be subdued in this kind of color, so I may, or this color. So I may do that for these, and on the wing, we'll see. But what I'm looking for is somebody that can make 1/7 scale. You know, all the little writing on a lot of these panels is not here. You know, just so I like to get as much detail on as I can. So if anybody knows somebody that can make like a decal type template for painting letters and stuff, let me know. Post a link or something. I'll check it out. Thanks. You guys have a good night.